Hi guys, this video is going to be about the AccuQuilt Go Me. I have been guilty of purchasing this and not actually using it. I think I purchased it about, I want to say like a year ago. So I've brought it out and I'm going to do a video on it. And I have not been paid or sponsored by AccuQuilt to make this video. So let's dive in. So there is a few different AccuQuilts on the market. I got the Go Me. It was the smallest one and it's a hand wound one. It isn't an electrical one, and it basically opens up at these two sides here. So the purpose of an AccuQuilt is basically to cut fabric, and the reason why I purchased this is because I have a lot of scrap fabrics and I thought it'd be a great way of getting them used up. Now I generally hate cutting pieces. It's the worst part for me for quilting, and this was intentionally for me to get using some of my scrappy bits of fabric. So this actually works perfectly for that. So basically where you see this dark grey area is where it's actually going to cut the piece, so it allows for your seam allowance. And also, I don't know if you can see that, but it is going to cut it into quarters of the square, and if you like press down a little bit here, you will feel like a metal part there. And it's basically, what's going to happen is you get one of these when you order the kit, because with my AccuQuilt Go Me, I got these two dies, and then this here you actually press onto the fabric, so you press it in between, and then when you roll it through, as you can see on the indents here, it actually cuts the fabric. So I will do a little bit of a demo here so you can see how it works. So they do say that you can actually stack 6, one on top of the other, but I'm just going to do 4. And basically you want to get your piece of fabric over all of this dark grey section here. So I'm just going to put it right on top. And then we just get this clear piece and we put it on the top of here. And I think what they say in the instructions that you're best flipping this over as well, so it'll last a little bit longer, because this is the part that you're going to end up replacing more often than the actual die itself. It's going to be this particular piece, and then I'm going to feed it into my AccuQuilt Go Me. So basically I will get this hand crank here, and I'm going to do this in real time so you can see. So you may have to just guide it through a little bit, and then once it catches, it'll go through itself. And just go through nice and slowly and just wind it around. You can actually get an electric version of this. So I'm just going to wind it and wind it. So if you want to do it 2 separate colours of your quilt, you're going to have to do the different colour. So you're going to have to do one on this fabric and one of your other fabric. I'm going to do a little project next week, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that next video. So here we go. So it's popped out of the other side, so it just goes through like a conveyor belt, and it puts a lot of pressure onto the actual die itself, and then it'll cut the fabric and it pops out the other end. So there still is a little bit of wastage. So if you don't like any wastage, this probably isn't the tool for you. So I have like this as wastage here, and then all of my sections are cut, as you can see. So it makes it really quick and efficient way of quilting, especially if you're like me and you really hate cutting pieces. So if you wanted like a different colour now you would do another 4 pieces of a different colour. So I'm just going to do that. Here we go. Here's my other 4 pieces of fabric. I'm just going to put them on top here like so, and then I'm just going to put my cutting mat on top, and I'm going to run it back through the Go Me. Now again, I'm just going to help guide it through here. Let's go the right way. And then once it's guided through, you can let go at that side. And you can see it pop out the other side. So have you thought about using the AccuQuilt? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have one? Do you use it? Thinking about getting one? Let me know. And then it pops out the other side. And then we'll push that out the way. And lift this back up. And there's the wastage again. And here's all the sections all cut. So next week I'm going to do a little project with these. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, it really helps. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.